All 8 pieces come in varying sizes. All you have to do, no matter which piece you're using, is make sure that your pressure-sensitive clips are in the open position. You do that just by popping them open. Start at the base and create the first section, about 2 inches above your hairline. Get the rest of your hair out of the way and secure it with a clip. Make sure you have good tension, slide into place, and push to secure. Start your next section about a ½ inch above where you were. If you're creating length, you want to keep the extensions nice and close together at the bottom to create your weight line. Now I'm moving to the 3-clip hair extension. Make sure your clips are open. Start with the middle one, slip it into place, and push to secure. You always want to keep even tension so you don't have any bubbling areas. Now move to the side of your head. I'm using the 2-clip extension right at the front to help me create weight. Start with the clip that's closest to your face, even tension, and work your way backwards. Same thing on the other side. The next section is at the crown of your head. Use a longer 3-clip extension. Start in the middle, slip in, and push to secure. Now, for final touches, we have another piece left, and I'm going to use it just on my heavier side because I feel like I have enough hair on this side already. There you go. That's how you use all 8 pieces to create a full look with length, volume, and great color.